systems and ultimately lightening our load in our EDC systems, as well as just how these tools function, which tool is better, and which tool do I gravitate to more and why, and hopefully it'll help you make a wise decision on which one of these tools might fit in one of your EDC systems. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get to it. So let's start with size comparison in the pocket. What's the type of real estate weight we're looking at with these two tools? Now obviously just by looking at it, you can tell that the SOG Reactor is going to be the more compact option. It's going to weigh in at 4.2 ounces, so rather lightweight, very nominal for most pocket knives out there. It's going to have an overall length from front to back of 3.8 inches, and according to my measurements, a maximum thickness of like 4.8, 0.48 on the maximum thickness for this tool. Whereas on the flip side, the Leatherman is going to have an overall length of 4.2 inches, so about half an inch longer in overall length. It has maximum thickness 0.5 even, so maybe just a hair thicker than the SOG, and then it's going to weigh in at 5 ounces even, so you're looking at about 0.8 ounces of difference. This will be a little bit heavier and a little bit longer, so a little bit more real estate, a little bit more weight for the Leatherman, a little more compact for the SOG. You've got to have bottle openers on your multi-tools for your refreshing drinks, and with the SOG we kind of have this little hideaway, kind of just sits inside the body there. You pop that little guy and it will pop the top, no problem. You do have to do a little bit more fiddling than you would with the Leatherman. The Leatherman not only works as a bottle opener, and I was recently just seeing how it performed, putting it on the camera, and Ashley had a big issue with me using the Leatherman and drinking the Coke that I was about to open. So it's like Ashley's intense dislike for me drinking that soda at the moment. This is a very good bottle opener. It's easier to grab than the SOG on that lip, and it does act as a secondary attachment point with that kind of carabiner system. Works great for attaching either to a belt on your belt or attaching to the interior, exterior of the pack. So I really like that feature. Let's go ahead and talk about, in my opinion, probably the most important aspect of these two multi-tools. If I'm going to consider retiring a holder and just carrying these, not only does the knife have to be very accessible, but it has to just feel good in the hand and just be an overall easy deployment and usefulness for me. So we're going to have to take a look here at the SOG first. And what we have here is a black coated blade. Now this is what's really cool and just kind of stands out right away. Is
My mini shop.
Open assisted multi-tool. It has a spring in there, flings right open, real nice and quick. So the deployment is very fast. I like that aspect a lot. So this is going to be an HCR13 MOV steel blade. This is a Chinese-made multi-tool. Now HCR13 MOV is a decent budget steel. There are lots of folders out there that